Hello, I need to change my train ticket.
Of course. Can I see your ticket, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. What changes would you like to make?
I need to change the date of my ticket.
Okay. What is the new date you want to travel?
I want to travel on the 15th of next month.
Let me check. I see that the train on the 15th has available seats.
That's great. Can I change my ticket to that date?
Yes, but there is a change fee.
How much is the fee?
The fee is $10.
Okay, that's fine. I'll pay the fee.
Thank you. I'll change your ticket now.
Will I get a new ticket or just an updated one?
You will get a new ticket with the new date.
Perfect. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card or cash.
I'll pay by card.
All right, please swipe your card here.
Done.
Your new ticket is ready. Here you go.
Thank you. Do I need to show the old ticket?
No, you don't need the old ticket. Just keep the new one.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Hello, David.
Tracy, hi.
It is good to see you.
Good to see you too. How are you?
I am good, thanks.
You are in New York now.
Yes, I have a new job here.
Oh, great. Welcome.
Thank you. New York is very big and busy.
Yes, it is. Do you like it?
It's okay, it is very fast.
I understand, but it's a fun city.
I hope so. And you? How are you?
I am great. I am married now.
Wow, really?
Yes, I have a wife.
That is wonderful.
We also have 2 kids, a boy and a girl.
Kids, that is very nice.
Yes, my life is busy, work and family.
I would love to meet your family.
Of course, that is a good idea.
Great.
See you soon, Tracy.
Bye, David. Jimmy, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for fixing my computer.
No problem at all.
My computer is working now. It is very good.
I am happy to help.
I am not good with computers. You helped me a lot.
That's okay. I like computers.
It is not fun for me.
It is fun for me to fix problems.
I want to say thank you.
Oh,
Can I take you to dinner?
that is very nice of you.
So, yes, dinner?
Thank you, but it's not necessary. Really.
Are you sure? I want to thank you for your help.
I am sure. I am just happy your computer works.
Okay, no problem.
That is the best thank you for me.
Well, thank you again, Jimmy.
You're welcome. Call me if you need help again.
I will, thanks. Hi,
Hello.
I'm Emma. What's your name?
I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you from here?
No, I'm from Canada. You?
I'm from Australia. Do you work here?
Yes, I work at the school.
Oh, what do you teach?
I teach math. Do you work too?
No, I'm a student.
That's cool. What do you study?
I study English.
Your English is good.
Thank you. Do you like it here?
Yes, it's nice. The food is great.
I love the food too.
Bye, Emma.
Bye, Tom. See you later. Hey, Jake, I want to try something new.
Cool. Like what?
Maybe painting? It looks fun.
Good choice. Do you have supplies?
No, nothing yet. What do I need?
Just some paints, brushes, and paper to start.
Where's the best place to buy them?
The art store on Main Street has cheap starter kits.
Great. Should I take a class?
You could, but YouTube has free tutorials too.
Oh, good idea. How often should I practice?
Maybe twice a week. Start small.
Will it be messy in my apartment?
A little. Put down newspaper first.
Smart. What if I'm bad at it?
Everyone starts somewhere. Just have fun.
You're right. Want to try it with me?
Sure, let's go shopping this weekend.
Perfect. Saturday at 2 p.m.?
Deal. This'll be awesome.